Yung ngiti mo sa lahat, yun ang pinaka-paborito ko. Kung gaano katamis yung tuwing pinapatawa kita. And that makes me happy.
Ikaw yung tipo ng taong gusto kong lagi lang nasa tabi ko.
Hindi buo ang araw ko kapag hindi kita nakikita.
Ikaw ang dahilan ng bawat ngiti, bawat pagtawa ko. You made me feel like nothing else matters in this world.
You were the only person I couldn't wait to be with after a long day. Kahit saglit lang, lagi kitang namimiss.
You were the only one that mattered. You were my person.
Sabi nila, lahat ng bagay may rason. But that's just how life is. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose.
But being alone doesn't always mean you lose. Minsan, kailangan mo lang talagang matutunan mahalin ang sarili mo. Kasi,
Okay lang naman mag-isa.
okay lang naman mag-isa.
Sana sinabi mo para di na umasang may tayo pa sa huli. Sana sinabi mo hahayaan naman kitang umalis.